Hello, good evening, everybody. This is Indu Das, and today I'm going to look into a problem that my Epson Powerlite 3010 projector is giving. And as you can see in this projector, all of a sudden I have started getting these dots. You see, this is the grid of these dots, which is all over the place. As you can see, this is all over the place. And this is uniform. It's not like a one part of the projector lens or something is burnt out. This is all over the place, and I'm trying to figure out why it happened and how to resolve it. So multiple troubleshooting steps I have already done. One thing is, as you can see, this projector is taking input from the Roku, and I thought maybe the problem is Roku. So instead of this particular HDMI 1 which takes input from Roku, I connected that with my laptop. No change, still the same problem. Then I swap. I thought maybe the problem is then the cable, because this is exact same cable that connects to my laptop. So I change from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2, still the same problem. So that means it is not dependent upon the input. Either input is giving me this problem, either input port, whether HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, is giving the exact same problem of these dots. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the bulb on this. And as you can see, this is a tiny little screw over there. That's what will open up, and then I'll replace the bulb, and then we'll see if replacing the bulb resolves this issue. Alright, so this is the new projector lamp that I ordered from Amazon, close to $50 or so. I'm going to send the link put the link in the description. And this is the Amazon page screenshot, and I will include the SKU also in the link. And this is how the lamp looks like. Removing the cap and replacing the lamp should be straightforward. As you can see, there looks like a Phillips screw in here that I should open it, and hopefully I do not have to unmount it from the wall. We'll see. And once you unscrew it, you have to slightly push it like this so that it comes off. And this is what it is. This is where the lamp is. Now I have to figure out how to open the lamp. The lamp again is held by these two screws. And once you loosen up the screws, you simply pull it down, and that's it. It comes off very easily. Now let me put them side by side, the old one and the new one, and see if they look identical. They should look exactly the same. The marking might be a little bit different, but at least the two lamps should look exactly the same. And this is how the lamp bay in the projector looks like without the lamp. Before I do that, I wanted to highlight one thing. So when I got this new lamp, and when I was doing like this, I was hearing this noise, right? And I was thinking, oh my god, what this noise is about. But as you can see, there's a cover here. This is what it makes the sound when you flip it over. And this is exactly the same thing that happens in the old one too, so nothing to be worried about. Alright, and the new lamp is on. Make sure that you seat it properly and push it a little bit down before you start screwing, and you will feel it when it's sitting properly. And the cover is back on. Let me now connect it and give it a try. And voila! I do not see the dots anymore. All the dots are gone. Yep, all the dots are gone. So in other words, if you start seeing a grid of dots on your screen, that does not mean anything other than the lamp is bad. You simply need a lamp replacement. $50 item from Amazon, and you can get it done. Thanks for watching.